Convertkit versus Flodesk. Which platform is actually better? I'm going to break down the differences between Convertkit and Flodesk so you can choose the right one for your email marketing needs. ConvertKit is built for creators who want advanced automation and detailed audience segmentation. It offers powerful features like email sequences, tagging, and the ability to trigger automated workflows based on subscriber actions. It's ideal for businesses and creators focused on lead nurturing and sales conversions. On the other hand, Flodesk focuses on design and ease of use. With its drag and drop builder and beautiful templates, it's great for users who prioritize aesthetic emails without needing deep technical skills. However, its automation is more basic compared to ConvertKit. So, if you need a robust automation and analytics, ConvertKit is better. If you're after beautiful, easy to create emails, go with Flodesk.